At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a business using cash can be a lucrative venture, especially considering the increasing popularity of digital payment systems. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the services offered by cash and how they can be leveraged for your business. Identify your target market and the demand for cash services in your area. Conduct market research to assess competitors and identify opportunities for differentiation. 2. Register your business. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities. The process may vary depending on your location and the type of business you're starting. Choose a business name that reflects your offerings and is easy to remember. 3. Set up your cash account. Download the Cash app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Create an account by providing the necessary information, such as your mobile number and email address. Verify your identity as per Cash's requirements. This usually involves providing identification documents such as a valid ID. 4. Explore cash services. Familiarize yourself with the different services offered by cash, including sending money, paying bills, purchasing load, and making online purchases. Understand the fees associated with each service and any restrictions or limitations. 5. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections in a detailed business plan. Determine how you will generate revenue through your cash business, whether through transaction fees, commissions, or other means. 6. Promote your business. Create a marketing strategy to attract customers to your cash business. Utilize social media, local advertising, and other promotional channels to raise awareness about your services. Highlight the convenience, security, and benefits of using cash for transactions. 7. Provide excellent customer service. Offer prompt and courteous customer support to address any inquiries or issues from your customers. Ensure that transactions are processed efficiently and securely to build trust and loyalty among your clientele. 8. Stay updated and adapt. Stay informed about updates and developments in the cash platform to optimize your business operations. Adapt your strategies based on customer feedback and market trends to remain competitive in the industry. 9. Comply with regulations. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations and legal requirements governing financial transactions and business operations in your jurisdiction. Keep accurate records of your transactions and finances for tax and audit purposes. 10. Expand and diversify. Explore opportunities to expand and diversify your cash business, such as offering additional services or targeting new customer segments. Continuously assess market demand and consumer preferences to identify areas for growth and innovation. Starting a cash business requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing management, but with the right strategy and dedication, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.